I'm back with my friends at Now to share 3 new functional FabFour smoothies. You guys are gonna love these ones. I have a beetroot and blackberry smoothie. It's like blackberry beet. Then I have a wheatgrass and orange. Kind of takes me back to high school when you used to take the shot and follow it up with an orange slice. Delicious and really refreshing. And last but not least, I have a Salty Green Goddess Smoothie that's loaded with chlorella and spirulina. You guys are gonna love these. Let's make the Blackberry Beet FabFour Smoothie. This is loaded with beet root powder and frozen blackberries to serve up polyphenols and betalains. I'm using an unsweetened almond milk for this, but you could use unsweetened coconut milk, flax milk, whatever your favorite plant-based milk is. And now we're adding the protein. This is a grass-fed whey protein. Now we need to add the fat and fiber. So the fat to this smoothie is gonna be 2 tablespoons of cashews. Our fiber for this smoothie is a tablespoon of flax. Now we're gonna add the superfood Beet Root Powder. This has betalains in it, and it is a great source of nitrates. Betalains are free radical scavengers, and a half a cup of frozen blackberries. When you add frozen fruit, you don't have to add ice. Last but not least, no FabFour smoothie is complete without something deep in color like leafy greens. So I'm gonna add a handful of spinach to the smoothie, and you won't taste it with that vanilla protein and that bright blackberry. We'll blend it up and give it a taste. The Blackberry Beet FabFour smoothie, let's give it a try. Delicious. Next up, we are gonna make my 90s throwback smoothie. This is loaded with wheatgrass powder. You're gonna start with 1 to 1.5 cups of cold filtered water. This smoothie has orange in it, so I love adding vanilla protein as a base. It kind of reminds me of a 50-50 bar. Whenever you want a thick smoothie, avocado is a great fat to choose. Next up, fiber. Chia is a great source of omegas. It's gelatinous, also thickening your smoothie. And next up, we're gonna add some produce. So I love adding fresh cucumbers to my smoothie. And then we're gonna add half of an orange. And then to even add more vitamin C and orange flavor, we're gonna zest. Next up is our wheatgrass powder. This is a green superfood loaded with chlorella. It supports detoxification. You're gonna add about a teaspoon. This is gonna take you back to those summer days, those orange 50-50 bars. Take a sip. So good, so fresh, creamy and delicious. Enjoy. This is my Salty Green Goddess Smoothie. You can start with filtered cold water or your favorite nut milk. And then you wanna pick a protein that's gonna deliver close to 20 grams of protein per serving. Next is our fiber. I'm using the organic triple omega seed mix. This is a blend of hemp hearts, chia, and flax. Because we're using spirulina and chlorella as the greens in the smoothie, we want to use a fiber-rich fat. I love using whole fat, like whole cashews, in my smoothies because it thickens it up and gives it the texture you're looking for. Next up, the greens powder. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder and a half a teaspoon of chlorella. Now these can get really green, so you wanna mellow out the flavor with cinnamon and a pinch of salt. I'm adding ice to this smoothie to cool it down and thicken it up. So 1 to 2 cubes is all you need. And I know that this is the most nutrient-packed smoothie you could ever drink.